I've seen people complain about pepper, and like honestly, it's not a big deal.
CMI style.
Mama told me I can make you see the brightness in her eyes. I said I don't need a fake it, got the flame on, let it.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I'm glad that some of y'all liked the last one, which was the update, and today I'm gonna be doing a spicy food challenge. Like, I just came back and I bought some spicy like mala stuff, and this shit is hot as shit. Okay, like I can't tolerate pepper. I can't do anything with pepper. Pepper makes me itchy. I think I'm even allergic to pepper. I'm not sure. And if I pass out on this video, it's all your fault, because like I don't even have freaking water. This shit. Yo, okay, like I just got back some water. Okay, like I forgot the water and I'm gonna eat spicy food. I already had a bottle of water right here beside me. Whatever. So I did a poll on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, it's gonna be right here or somewhere on the screen. I don't really know. I was asking if y'all wanted me to do like tips, like back to school tips, whatever. Why am I talking so fast? I've been eating some of this food and it's killing me right now, and I just feel like, whew. Anyway, let's get into that. Okay, so let's get into it. I did not put this in the plate for no reason, because like, why would I need a plate? Like, this shit is hot, very hot. And I'm not putting extra pepper on it because if y'all want me to live to see another video, obviously y'all don't want me to die. So, okay, I'm gonna start with this piece right here. I mean, it's there, but it comes in slow. And I have fries on it too, so. I already feel like you eat this more, like the more of this you eat, the more pepper will start to come in. So I'm gonna do that. Right. It's coming in. It's just definitely kicking in. Like, am I the only one that eats too much pepper for like I start to get itchy? Okay. If anybody actually eats all of this without drinking water or something, you're clinically insane. And I'm not eating all of this. Like, yo, when I feel like I'm gonna get, I actually feel like I'm gonna throw up now. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna try to finish it. I can't do any more of this. This is sickening. I'm gonna dip this in some of the sauce right here, like most of the sauces. I feel like my head's beating. Oh shit. Oh god, I don't feel good. I ain't eating no more. I feel like I'm crying. Okay, guys, like after eating the food, I literally like throw up because I'm not used to. Oh god, I'm not used to eating this much spicy food, and I feel like shit right now. Oh god. If y'all don't like this or like, share this. So just like please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe because I'm doing this for all of you. And now I feel like crap. So like to everybody supporting my channel, thank you a lot. This means a lot to me. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.